What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I am doing a 24-hour follow-up mining MeowCoin with my 1616 Ti. I want to show you guys what happened since then, how much I mined, and if I'm profitable at all. So let's start with my wallet. My wallet currently has 116.69 MeowCoin. I thought it was gonna be close to 220, but I was wrong, and I'll show you why. Then we'll go to the pool, see what hasn't been paid out yet, and go from there. But this one says 117, but we have some more at the pool. Since we started mining, what happened? If you guys look over here, hash rate 707 gigahash, network 584, so it's 707 gigahash right now. If we add all these up, all the different pools, it has gone up on some of the exchanges, but we'll be only using one right now. So it says it's 0.0014 at the highest of some of the exchanges. The one I use, it's a little bit lower, but as far as the price of difficulty, since we started on the 7th, has spiked a lot. We're gonna go through that. And when we first started this video, or when I made the first video yesterday, hash rate was at 320 gigahash. Now it has double, and then difficulty, as I was saying, has also almost doubled. So if you look at that video over here, it's saying 320 gigahash hash rate, network hash rate 334. And if you look at difficulty on the right, I know it's hard for you guys to see, but it's 4.61k, and the price was 0.0007, so 3 zeros and a 7. Now if we look at it, it's doubled in price, and the difficulty is all at 8k. Let's leave that out. And then if we go to our miningstat.com and put 14.2 megahash, which what I was averaging about 95-96 watts. It was 94 to 96 watts. So let me put 95 watts. Right in the middle, pool fee is 1%. Electrical is 10 cents kilowatt hour. Hit calculate. Last 24 hours, I should have made 136 coins, losing 8 cents. Currently I will be making 105. So it's going down because the hash rate's gone up, and I'm losing almost 10 cents. So apart from this, that's what the mining calculators are saying. Now let's really see how much I made and what we can make on it. So if we calculate everything on here, so I have 116.6997 what's been paid out, right? Plus I have some balance on here, which is 1.290 meow, 1.2901, and then I also have immature of 6.7789. So in total I made 124.76 MeowCoin. So if we look at currently on, let's go down to a day, let's do a week. On Trade Ogre, some of them are saying as high as 1.0014. This one's saying 0.00119. So we're gonna use the price of this. So we're gonna go ahead and multiply this by 0.00119, and it's saying that I made 15 cents almost, so we're gonna call this 148. As far as electricity goes, I'm using 96, we put 95 watts, right? 95 times 24 equals this, divide that by 1000. So we use 2.28 kilowatts. Multiplying this by 0.1 equals 22 cents minus 0.4148. So I lost exactly 8 cents mining MeowCoin. If difficulty did not go up and the hash rate doubled, maybe we would have made money, but right now we're losing 8 cents. If you look at Trade Ogre prices, if we did, let's say 125 times 0.0014, we still would have lost 5-6 cents if we went with the highest one selling. Oh, the price just spiked to 128. Should we do this over? Let's just do 124 times 0.00, what was that on Trade Ogre? 128. We're still losing money. Alright guys, so this is a real-time test. This is not using mining calculators or whatever, trying to figure out if we make money or not money. I used what I mined, multiplied it by the current price, which is gone up again as this video is going, 0.00131, and I lost about exactly 8 cents mining this coin. Am I gonna continue to mine or not? Probably. I might just swap out the 1616 Ti and put my 3070 on it and mine a little better or a little more MeowCoin, but I just want to make a bag of it. Doesn't matter how much, thousands, 10,000s, and then I will hold it and wait for it to really go up if it ever does. But if it doesn't, in a month I'm gonna be losing. If it's 22, 23 cents a day, you know, I'm $6, $7, $8 that I lost in electricity, and then whatever, how much coin I have, multiplied by that. But if you guys have any questions or comments, leave them below. I will try to answer them as best I can. And as always guys, have a wonderful day.